Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Veronvy drops review, and this has generated a significant attention with various review raising concern about the legitimacy of this product, and most of them saying that this is a fraud. This is not just exactly what they are publishing or advertising. So this drop is marketed as a vitamin supplement aimed at helping adult massage obesity and weight related health issue. Now the real concern is lack of scientific evidence, right? So if you just go and check out their advertisements and everywhere, they will just reviews highlight a significant absence of credible clinical studies supporting the claims made by this drops. Effective supplementary typically have scientific backing, which is lacking here. There's a the product use of proprietary blends for ingredients, meaning the specific amount and the source are not disclosed, right? And the raises a concern about the potential failures and ineffective dosages. These drops are not approved by the FDA, which is a very big red flag because I don't know how they're allowed to sell in US and the other markets. And here you can see here these are some of the website. They have collected a good amount of information, and they have highlighted a very important effective things, right? For example, the ingredients they have mentioned doesn't work, right? And it's not those ingredients are something for else, and they are mentioning on their product. Same way here that there are customer complaints. If I just go to the Amazon here and go to the review, there's a 1 rating, and I don't know whether this is a verified purchase or not. Okay, this is a verified purchase, very fast delivery, not due for another 2 weeks. Okay, this is about the delivery, not about the product quality. So here they have also mentioned the reference and everything, so you can just go and read about it. And conclusion, I can say this drops are marketed as a weight management solution. There are numerous red flags indicating that they may not be legitimate or effective options, so it's up to you that whether you want to go for this product or not. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.